Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, and now I know what I need to do.
Alright, so currently we stopped in Santa Cruz. You saw the title, so you actually know where we're going. I don't know, I don't have an idea where we're going. But I know it's in Westmoreland. Me and the family are part today. That work. That you want to look like it at work. I look, but I look if it at work, you know. It at work.
Sí, que me gusta.
Come out the road. I know say police they are going to stop, you know. Come see, when I see first two pass, I'm look back and see how far they can do.
You realize there's something.
They might come?
They might come?
Yes.
Come guys, get back in the shop.
But yeah, like you do. But how you feel, bro? Watch it. You? About 4 hours after we finally reached, currently we're at Mayfield Falls. As you can tell, I'm chilling with the family today. My birthday was on the 17th and tomorrow is mommy's birthday. How should I? What do you mean why you have to be with parents?
You must set up table food down here first, so... Yeah.
So mommy, you not tell the Maroon side. This is mommy, this is Annie of the Maroons.
Okay, I'm Maroon.
Bo? Beerus. Beerus the man. Yo, back up now.
Eee, the family, guys.
The crazy auntie. I'll be a crazy auntie, you know, because Auntie Lizzie want to.
Alright guys, so we're here checking off to see how many amount of us is going down to the falls, so just stay tuned with us.
Alright, so some of them gone down already. Ooh. Yeah, so there's a steep little incline. We're going down Maroons. It was, trust me, it was a long ride getting here. We stopped like 5 times, and then when we think we were finally on our way, we got stopped by police again. But we made it. I know I'm not the only person that has ever thought this, like, bamboo nice, you know, like I would want bamboo like in my yard. Look at this. So just, you know, it just adds to the aesthetic. It's nice to look at. I would want bamboo at my home. So I said the same thing, so I would want bamboo in my yard. Can you look it nice?
Like we train them with rope.
Yeah, how you want them grow. You can train it how you want it grow, man.
Yes,
and it's nice to look on.
Yo, you're so cool.
True, man. Yeah. You need to tell me, Auntie Lizzie, you need to tell me, say, I know you say where you stop. Tell them say river and stop.
I know you say that.
We have one falls to go.
And we did wait for the tour around the park. Let it man.
So cross that the water there. Me do it barefoot, you know?
I told them not ugly.
No, I told them sexy. Me always tell them Maroon them some. Me always tell them Maroon them some. I told them sexy. Yeah. That video. Me always tell them some. I told them sexy and them think I lie. When you hear, it's a point down there upon your foot. No, them see you. We're going barefooted to go across now. Not sure how far of a walk it is, but
You know warm the water.
they said them for warm it. What you want? That's a look tricky, you know. Oh, in our school as me think. Oh, it's nice though. Stone and slippery. So we carry back the river with me. Oh, alright, which way? I step over this. Whew. I'm just heading up to look a bit at the river to see what it's like. It's a nice tranquil little spot, you know. Let me show you guys what it's like. Oh. How are they up there, so? Football, them a play? Have like a whole ball field area up there, so, but not really interested in the ball part. Oh, that's what I'm going over here, so. Oh, Emily, careful. You not go there, so. I want you to know, say up here, so them should have carry food come. Because it took us so long to get here, we're actually just going to eat right away, and then we can enjoy the water afterwards. So I'm just going to round up everybody and let them know that hey, it's food time. Make you play ball. Watch out. They don't no faith. Tell them say I trade head there to make France near carry go World Cup. Watch out. Yes, mommy. Watch out. I come play ball too. Yeah, I said them should have owned something to do. Yeah. You come play ball too, mommy. You can play ball, man. Because Auntie Carlina play, you must can play.
That could happen.
Yeah, Auntie Lizzie go on.
Them more we know. Hold on.
I'm not very saying I'm happy to buy you.
You come from the side, you know. Alright, this get deep. You try come. You're too excited. Come. I tell you, say you're too excited. You want to talk to who?
Hi guys. The Bollywood.
Eh? Why?
You're gonna eat the rice here? That's straight to the chicken gabby gone. You're gonna eat the rice. Boat rice.
Watch out, boy, want everything. Loving God.
Hi guys, we're here live.
And direct.
Live and direct in Mayfield Falls. Best falls ever.
We falls there.
Me next. Video me no man. You must see me?
Yeah, man, them must see you.
I say, oh my God.
Up top. So where you a go?
Come on, guys, we're here. We're out in a while. We eat.
Dog and feet, man.
Yeah, man, we're there.
Drama thing. Wait, a sponsor. Campari sponsor you. Done. You know say no feed pork, mommy. As a rasta. Say pork is haram.
I think I love bone.
Yeah.
You want a little pork pan it, Labo?
Yeah, hear me say pork haram. Fine piece of thigh. Yeah, put some of my pork on it.
Come out of the line and go over this son.
Yeah, deal with me, so. Until you see some of my sorrel. Some of my sorrel, yeah. Although there's some enough to drink no more. Sorry. No man, put some of my sorrel. Yes, sir, sorrel.
Not to say you want me, sir.
Yeah, alright, may I come back for you juice after. Pull it and put it right there, sir.
Catch your fuck.
Why are you dropping now? It's nice though. Woo! Cool. Tell her say I hold it for bush, Labuko. Eh? You can... No, that's not deep. Up there's a deeper. Up the side the deeper. See, in a deep. In the water. Stand up. For Uncle Ray.
Who?
Uncle Ray.
Uncle who?
Uncle Ray.
When you saw? No, tell me.
You never know say me and nephew.
Blood clot. Oh. You catch me, Becky. You catch me.
You guys know me by now. You know that if there's a river, I'm going to explore the river as much as I can. I was warned that there are some deep sections, so I'm going to be very careful. But just go upstream a bit. I think Kimmy and my cousins gone up there. Just alright, right here so would have been my spot. Hey, hello. Happy New Year. Yeah. They probably can't see you. So yeah, I have to go into the water here, so like, for real, look at this blue and pretty. I'm gonna take my time. Woo! Cool. Bro, this is too pretty. Hey. Honestly, too pretty. Ooh, the water cool. Maroons, look at this right there, so it was like waist deep. Felt good though. Now I get up here, so and the good thing is the stones are not actually sticky, slippery. The stones are, you have a lot of grip on the stones. It's not slippery at all. Oh wow, look out here, so pretty. Guys, Maroons, like look at this. Look at this little section here. Oh my word. This might be the section where I actually take a dip. I think I'm actually going to take a dip here. Guys, you guys have to come with me. Right there is too cool. Woo! Maroon! Yeah! Whoa! This is amazing. I love it. This is amazing. So nice. Oh, this is a lot deeper. Yo! Yo, this deep. Whoa, yo, this is a lot deeper here. I can't even cross. I can't cross here because it's too deep. That goes back around there that can go further upstream. And there's one that leads down here. So, I'm gonna check out this one first. Whoa. Yo, another cool spot. This is such a pretty spot, guys. Trust me, a lot of times when I say a spot is beautiful, it really doesn't translate through the camera. Like, you can't get the full experience by looking at it through the camera. Seeing it in person, 100 times better, trust me. What kind of step this? Not trust them step kind of. Hey, what I do? We now go back down. We now go back round. The river is made up mostly of limestone, so it's not really slippery. Surprisingly, it's not slippery.
Hello, vlogger. Welcome to YouTube.
Eh?
Welcome to YouTube.
What's up?
Yo, don't put that in the video.
No, you can't tell me that.
Hi guys.
One falls up there, so?
Yeah. Hey Maroon.
One falls up there for real.
No. You can jump up on cliff.
One cliff.
Yeah. You have to swim.
I'm gonna look and come back. Yo, must Tarzan. Yo. Must Tarzan. You can't afford to drop over there, say you're mad. Like, the full length of this river is just beautiful. This river is like the gift that just keeps on giving. This video for me, guys, is like coming back to YouTube. My last video was posted around November, I think, of last year. Firstly, Happy New Year, Maroons. This is going to be the first upload of the year. Again, thank you for the support last year. Looking forward to all the dope content we're going to push out this year. I think I explored enough of the river. As I was explaining before, my birthday and mommy's birthday are really close to each other. So this is kind of a celebration of both, you know. We just come out with the family to eat some food and I say, hey, the camera seems to be working, why not bring the Maroons along? Going to take a swim down there and then, you know, just go chill with the family, have some conversation, then we'll get ready to leave. As I remember.
Like seriously?
Yeah.
Like seriously?
Going in bright, tights bright.
Hey, you can see her from a mile.
From a mile?
Yeah.
You're not camouflage at all.
Not true.
So you enjoy like a celebration, mommy?
Yeah, it was okay.
The Maroon them don't know you, you know?
I like.
Them don't know you.
Because I'm the first year.
No, you go up on my channel already.
When?
Long time. Like the second or third one.
Remember that. So.
Yeah, man. So everybody just drop any of the Maroon in the comments. This is the gentleman here that did all of them. He's working on one now. So you said this is a one solid piece of wood?
Yeah, man, a one piece, one seat.
Mad. Neat stills. Neat stills.
Yeah, man, that's why I go, man. Because right now, I'm not even doing nothing to the rims, you know.
All the rims you go get.
But we just have to reach the levels there, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Bad, man. Yeah, because I look on it from far, I think say they like different pieces glue together.
No, man.
So one solid piece. Bad, man.
Catch a door them.
And they polish it off. So regular people like get things to do.
just did, but you see, I have a virgin in the United States around race. So I come to Jamaica.
Oh, yeah,
so
do something for you.
One race car for him already.
Yeah, man.
So in time I say, well, I make back one different one for him.
Bad.
So I work on
Bad, man.
Yeah,
Go on do your thing, still.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. One love, man.
Yeah. And bad, man. Ah, respect. That's a key in your butt. What kind of frat that, man? What in here? How in favor?
Never gonna believe me, but me with a funny topic, keep this thing a secret. Cause got me going to the deepest of oceans. Come on, let me show you why you feel like a float man. Slow jams why you feel like listen. Anything to turn in a real life fixin'. Not a drink, girl, you're my addiction. Cause with you I feel I'm missing nothing.